Hello, my name is Mwaz Ivani and I'm a student, of course, and I study at RP Kalonji, which is located in the western province of the Rwanda, and my leg number is 22 RP 10607. And here today I'm going to present my work, which is about in the session of the Python, and of course today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple application or a simple task and you solve it. Let me start with my codes here. And here are sample of the codes, and I want to explain one of it as some of these. Let me first if my this. Yes, okay. So as we are going to start our session and I'm going to explain each and everything here, first of all you can ask yourself, what is this? Those are called modules. First module here is what we call Flask, and Flask is used to create a web application. Also this one, what we call render template, in our codes it will help or it will allow our rendering HTML dialect in the Python. Also the request here, it will help our codes to capture a user or search query. So, and here what we call app equals Flask and bracket dash name. This is called what we call initialize Flask app, and this app, it is a Flask web application named app, and that is what we do in this my codes. So what I can call step number 3, it is the function to scrap Amazon products, and what it is here, it is def space get, that one get product and info. So this one, it is it is what we can call like the function that takes a search term as input and it retrieves Amazon products. Or it can be where you can type anything you want, I mean the product, and then you get the input. So here we have the construct, the structure search URL. This will help to replace this URL with the actual URL, or the way you can type our link or of www or ihaha.rwa. This is the like an example of URL. You can search anything you want. So slow continuing here, but you are considering Amazon, that's why you are going to use the Amazon. So what I can call step setup headers. Setup headers are those here, what you are seeing here. What you call accept. Accept, yes, it is here. Where I selected here. Okay. So first of all, I want to explain what you call send a request to Amazon. If someone he or she want to send a request for what we call response, if a response.status, yes, it will send an HTTP request to Amazon with the search URL. So it will check the response status code. Yes. So by continuing here, what we call fuzz to the HTML documents. Yeah. So what we can call a beautiful scope process Amazon HTML page. This is the product list and we'll store the extended product details. Yeah, product details. By continuing to extract the product information. Here we use this one for this one. This one we will use to extract product information, where we can find loops through each product listing on the Amazon page. So Amazon uses what we can say that as data.extension assigned as unique product identifier. So we filter results that have it. And to extract product name, here we use if and if else, as I said, for the loops. Like here, we declare def index and if request.method equal post. Let me select. I think you will see it very well. Here it finds the product name using the assigned medium classes. If the product has no name, it is skipped, because if we don't have in the store of Amazon, so it will give you a message and say there is no product there, and it will skip that one. But if they find the name in the name of product in that store, it will display. Yeah. And here what we call extract price and calculating commission. So here where we use the prices that we declare, okay, price. Okay, good, I got it. So let me first explain this one. Finds the price and removes, and if no price is found, sets a default price for that product. And here the code that it explained it very well. I tried. For the product container, in a product container's product info, here there are product name, product price, rating, and email, also picture name. So here are also how you are going to display it in our interface. If things or products you type there in the search, it will show you the result. Else, if there is no there, it will display not available in that codes. So for the extra product image also is the same as like that. So also on the rating, on even on this, on all stuffs are there. Also the pictures, rating, and global rating, price, also the product name. Yeah, I hope you got this. So as I'm going to finish my presentation, and I want to conclude here by extracting Flask collate, by capture the what we call create Flask load. Yeah, here like what I did here, it is what you can call create a Flask load and declare diff index. If your user searches for a product, it capture the search term and calls what you call it will call Amazon get Amazon product, and also passes the result to the HTML template. So on the HTML templates, dynamically displays result in the table. And also what I can say there what you can call CSS Yes, as I conclude on my presentation, here it is what as I conclude what I have presented was the project purpose was to search for Amazon products and display the details and how it works. User may enter search query or Flask fetches Amazon result using the web scraping, display product name, price, image and rating, also Ethereum info. So for more to understand this, I'm going to run my codes and you will see what I have presented through the output. Let me run this. If you want to run in this, you right click and then you run my web page.py as the extension. Here I have to stop and then run again. Then here I have the link, so I click on it. The interface here, it's called Amazon product search. So here what I have said in the code is I'm going to search here any product from this Amazon. Let me first search like book. Let's wait the output. Now we got the message, no product found, please try a different research. Okay, let me put iPhone. I know iPhone is a popular product in the world. Let me search iPhone. Now you see they give me the result for iPhone. Product name, price, commission fee, total price, rating and the Ethereum image. Here the images of the my product research. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for attending. Remember to do subscribe and share. Thank you.